our goal here is to make people's retirement years the best they can be, regardless of what cognitive or physical or mental or medical issues that may arise. One of our values is know my name. We want to individually know people, not just based on the required assessments that we have to do, which we'll do. We're going to continue to do all of those. But how do we make that, the reporting and the data that we have to submit, not be the primary focus, but be just the give-me's of course, we're going to document that, but we're really going to spend time and impact people's lives. One of the things that we've been trying to find solutions for is how do we free up the limited staff that have really chosen and fallen in love with this field and this group of people so that they can not spend time at the bedside, but spend time walking alongside and living life with our residents. You know, that's one of our values is walk with me. That's both for our staff, for the family members and the residents, literally, but also in life. How do we help make these good years? The things I enjoy are relationships. So we need to be able to bring relationships back into these settings. And hopefully by having data, it'll help us know where to focus our energy. I think what's setting Resthaven apart is our willingness to try new things. This is an industry where we tend to start with the regs and then build programs around it, instead of starting with the person and what their needs are, and then figuring out how to meet those within whatever restrictions we may have. So I think what set us apart is that we're pretty nimble and we're willing to take risks, because if we don't, we're done anyway. We're not going to meet the needs of the seniors in our community. We now will have not just the 5-minute observations 3 times an hour, 3 times a day, but we'll be able to capture more holistically the whole person, not just based on maybe my internal or implicit bias we talk about all the time now, or stereotypes, or just our assumptions. Now we can really know that we're being specific to the person, that we're looking at them as an individual.